Hello and welcome to our show at torquenews.com, friends. This is Armen Harayan. Today we have got some exciting news about Tesla, but also some potential challenges ahead. Tesla has surpassed 4 million cumulative sales globally, a huge milestone that shows just how much demand there is for electric vehicles and particularly for Tesla vehicles. Tesla has also reported that the Model Y was the best-selling vehicle in Europe overall during the first quarter of the year, but to be fair, it wasn't all that unexpected. And Tesla is also making way for improvements and potentially new manufacturing space at the space-confined Fremont Factory, new filings revealed. And the company is growing faster than ever anticipated, with exponential growth in recent years, despite the challenges imposed by recent COVID and massive chip shortage that continues to rock many major automakers. So Elon Musk has made it clear that Tesla's mission is to help the world achieve a sustainable electrified economy as quickly as possible, even if it means sacrificing profits. And he said that Tesla can afford to do that. And that mission seems to be paying off, as Tesla sales have increased dramatically for 11 to past 12 quarters, with only one quarter being a decline from the previous due to the beginnings of that pandemic. The Model 3 and Model Y remains Tesla's primary sales movers, with the Model Y quickly becoming the top vehicle in sales growth, but Tesla is also facing more price competition than ever, particularly in top markets like China and the United States. While Tesla has been able to fend off competitors with price cuts, it remains unclear how long this strategy can continue. Now, looking forward, if Tesla can continue its incredibly impressive 50% production growth year over year, it is poised to become one of the largest automakers on the planet within only a few years. This is urgent because we need more sustainable transportation options to combat climate change. But Tesla will need to navigate some challenges along the way. So Tesla has also reported that Tesla Model Y was the best-selling vehicle in Europe overall during the first quarter of the year, but to be fair, it wasn't all that unexpected. And also couple this with the 4 million vehicles made so far, that's a great news. With the entrance of the Tesla Model Y into the European market, many analysts and fans alike anticipated that the brand's popular mid-size SUV would perform well. Still, few expected it to become the world beater that it is today. After an incredibly successful production ramp globally in quarter one, Tesla reports that the Model Y was the best-selling vehicle in Europe overall, not only in Germany, where Tesla operates its Giga Berlin factory. Tesla announced its incredible achievement on its European Twitter account this morning. Tesla CEO Elon Musk also mentioned this incredible sales success at the earnings call earlier this week, along with the news that the Model Y was the best-selling non-pickup vehicle in the United States. This sales success, while incredible, wasn't entirely unexpected. Why? Model Y has consistently performed well in key European markets, including France, Germany, and the United Kingdom. Further, with the growing production capacity of Europe's sole Tesla factory, Giga Berlin, the old world has slowly gained production independence and hence has been able to serve a growing number of customers. Tesla did not specify how many Model Y electric vehicles it sold on the continent in the first quarter of the year, but many expect the European market to be one of Tesla's strongest, just behind the United States and China. For example, during quarter one, Tesla sold a combined 412,180 Model Y electric crossovers and Model 3s, according to its sales report. In a moment, if I have time, I will tell you why Europe will be Tesla's second largest market. Tesla in the future, looking to the future, this growth is a good reason to be optimistic about Tesla sales in Europe, in other markets, particularly regarding the Model Y. The automaker has recently introduced a new lower price model of the vehicles, new lower price version, substantially lowering the starting price of its most popular vehicle. Moreover, Elon Musk announced at the earnings call earlier this week that the company would remain dedicated to reducing prices, helping a growing number of people buy their first electric vehicle, making it more affordable to more people. Besides pricing, the Tesla Model Y is also poised to receive a substantial upgrade, codenamed Project Juniper. You probably have heard about that. While very little is known about the upcoming variant, many anticipate Tesla to dramatically lower its production costs and production times, while also potentially introducing a modest spec boost and a design facelift of the Model Y. Tesla is also making way for improvements and potentially new manufacturing space at the space-confined Fremont Factory, new filings have revealed. Tesla submitted numerous filings over the past week that hinted toward factory improvements at Fremont in the way of new tooling installments. Still, there have also been indications that the automaker is making room for other projects on the second floor of Fremont Factory, where its battery manufacturing projects occur. Both filings from April 21 describe different projects that Tesla is performing at Fremont. The company filed for a tooling installation on the first floor where vehicle assembly occurs. Tesla filed to install new electrical receptacles on the first floor. Additionally, the Fremont factory is undergoing some rejuvenation regarding where things are located. Tesla is moving its industrial vehicles and chargers to another location, looking to make more room on the second floor. This filing is listed as equipment space moves. The Fremont factory was Tesla's initial production facility. As Tesla has expanded manufacturing, it has essentially outgrown the factory, which has forced the automaker to scramble and adapt. As Tesla grew production of the Model 3 and Model Y, the company used sprung structures as temporary manufacturing spaces. These have since become permanent. However, Tesla is even still struggling to have enough room at the Northern California facility at its first Fremont factory. CEO Elon Musk said Tesla has considered expanding the plant, but a tour Morgan Stanley took early last year indicated the company had simply outgrown the space. Analyst Adam Jonas said the plant was never designed to produce 450,000 units. At its peak, produced 300,000 units before Tesla took it over from Toyota, which was immediately apparent at the tour. Tesla does not shy away from the fact that the plant is inefficiently designed with 4 assembly buildings, one of which is tent that cars are assembled in. Jonas also indicated the Fremont factory's lack of space was notable and provides little space for trucks to drop off supplies in locations that make sense inside the plant. Tesla continues to improve the Fremont factory with frequent filings, but be sure to check back with Torque News for additional updates on Fremont factories. So if you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel, because as there are new updates, I report Tesla news and electric vehicle news here every day. So what do you think about Tesla's sales milestone that I reported earlier in this report and its future growth potential? Let us know in the comments below, friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more news and updates from Tesla and electric vehicles. Thanks for watching. God bless you, everyone. Like I said, I think Europe will be Tesla's second largest market, maybe equal to China, because Europe almost entirely imports its gasoline, its oil, and therefore there are a lot of people in Europe, as Teslas become more available, will give preference to electric vehicles, and thus Tesla vehicles are selling so well in European continent. Anyway, God bless you, have a great day, and I'll see you soon in our next report.